up, y'all? It's your West Coast hairstylist with WhippedbyNisey here, and I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Mayvenn Hair Company for their Mayvenn Stylist Relief Fund. That came in such the perfect time, you guys, and not even just that. I've been working with Mayvenn for a little bit over a year now, and that company has just been so great in elevating my business and elevating my skills, honey. Mayvenn has just been so amazing to me, between the recruiters and the people who check on you, and then they send emails letting you know how you can promote this month and how you can do this. Mayvenn is all the way around 110% an amazing company to be a stylist for. So if you guys are interested in seeing some of the new services that Mayvenn has just added on, yes, they added on new services as the Bay Area is opening back up. They are starting to take appointments and take clients, and yes, you can book with me, your hairstylist, WhippedbyNisey. I am a certified Mayvenn stylist here at my salon, the West Coast Beauty Lounge. So make sure you go to the link in my bio, hit free install. It'll take you straight to my Mayvenn page, honey, and you will be able to book with me. Okay, so tap the link in the bio, and do not forget to check out my YouTube so that way you can see some more of my work and get into me and get into my family, honey. And you know, keep up with your sub, okay? If you wasn't following me before you seen this video, go ahead and click wherever you need to click to go to my page, okay? So that way you can follow me, honey, because, yeah, I'm your hairstylist, okay? West Coast, WhippedbyNisey. Get whipped, period.